Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the Antutu benchmark test on the iQOO 7 device by using the latest Antutu benchmark version. Yes friends, just a couple of days back, the Antutu benchmark version, latest one has been launched, which is a 9.1.0. As you can see, which is a 9.1.0. Let's see, by using the latest version Antutu benchmark in the iQOO 7 device, how much Antutu benchmark score we can actually expect in this device. That's what I'm going to test in this scenario, and I'll even focus on the temperatures. So we'll try to compare the score after the new update, which is Antutu benchmark version, and the score before the Antutu benchmark version. So in this way, we'll be able to figure out what is happening. And every time I do the Antutu benchmark test, I need to restart the device before doing it. So just to be on the safe side, to clear everything. And during this process, I'll try to use the extended RAM capabilities as well in the phone. So that's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. And there is no Wi-Fi connection, and 50% brightness is also set, and everything I'll try to clear from the background. So from background, everything is cleared completely. And I'm trying to use the extended RAM capabilities as well during this process of demonstration. That's one thing. And right now, let me try to check the temperatures first in the beginning. 32.8 degrees, not bad. 33.2. 33.6. So only 33 degrees in the beginning of testing. Let's see how much the temperatures can actually increase with the time. So this is going to be a really interesting, friends, because in the previous versions I got score about 7 lakhs. So 7 lakhs 7,000, 7 lakhs 8,000 is to be my highest Antutu benchmark score in this phone, in this iQOO 7 device during the process of demonstration. But right now, let's see with the latest version how much Antutu benchmark score we can actually expect in the iQOO 7 device. So again, I'll be back after a couple of minutes of continuously running this Antutu benchmark test. So let's see what will be the temperatures. Right now it increases to 35 degrees. So after some time, again I'll try to measure, and again I'll be back. So right now, as you can see, friends, the Antutu benchmark test is going on in this phone, and the temperatures maximum, it did go only 37 degrees, 37.5 and 37.4 only. So it did not increase much more than that. So 37 is the limit for this iQOO 7 device in terms of the temperatures during the Antutu benchmark test. Let's see how much Antutu benchmark score we can actually expect in the iQOO 7 device during the process of demonstration. And in case if you have any other queries on the iQOO 7 device, let me know in the comment section below. So as I said, this is my first time doing the Antutu benchmark test using the latest version, which is 9.1.0. So right now the Antutu benchmark test is about to finish in the iQOO 7 device. Let's check the final temperatures. Finally, it's only 36 degrees, not bad. So let's see if in this time how much the Antutu benchmark score actually can increase. So 7 lakhs 8,000, not bad at all. As you can see, even 7 lakhs 8,923, the Antutu benchmark score. That's fantastic with the latest version, which is a 9.1.0. As you can see, friends, and you can see the CPU score 194 and 240, not bad. Now let me try to show you the previous scores. How is the previous scores? What is the highest I got? I think my highest was 7 lakhs 9,000. This is my highest score which I recorded in the iQOO 7 device so far. Yes, 7 lakhs 9,000. This is the highest, and right now the highest is 7 lakhs 8,000. You can side by side compare the CPU performance. 194 now, before it is 193, and the GPU 241 before, and right now 240. As you can see the comparison between both phones, and the temperatures 5.5 degrees before, and now it is only 5 degrees, as you can see. So this is a quick Antutu benchmark test on the iQOO 7 device. So iQOO 7 device right now, it has got 7 lakhs 8,000, still the best, one of the best scores which I got right now in this kind of price range, which is a 7 lakhs. That's fantastic, friends. Always, doesn't matter how many times I do the Antutu benchmark score in this phone, always I used to get this kind of high scores every time. 7 lakhs, always 7 lakhs. So in my gallery, there's so many images with the 7 lakhs as well. 7 lakhs, 6 lakhs 90,000, 6 lakhs 70,000. Let me show you. 7 lakhs 5,000, 6 lakhs. These are stored because of the storage got completely filled. That is the reason the score decreased. So later I started to delete all the data, and then I started to do the Antutu benchmark score. Then everything is completely in safe. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.